Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix and solve audio delay on CapCut. So if your audio out of sync with your video in CapCut, this is one of the most common and frustrating problems editors face. Whether the lag happens during the playback or after exporting, we have the complete solution for you. So what you need to do in here is just close CapCut completely. You can just remove it from your recent apps history, and after that you can just go to the settings on your phone, then find the app settings. So in here you need to do the device optimizations by clearing the app cache and closing the background apps to prevent laggy playback. So first I'm going to just clear the cache. You can open CapCut apps info. Now go to the storage and cache, and here clear the cache. Click on clear cache. That's the first option. If it still doesn't work, you can try to force stop the application. So click on force stop, click on OK. And lastly, for last short, you can also try to just clear the data. So you can just click on clear storage, but it will reset your CapCut completely. And after that, you can try editing your project again in CapCut to see if the lag is solved. So that's all from me. That's how you can fix and solve audio delay in CapCut Mobile. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.